Hey guys, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Neha. Thank you so much for your lovely comment this week. If you want to check me on all my other social media platforms, here are all the links. Okay guys, welcome to today's video. So for today, I basically feel that I've barely touched out on personal content and I just did a quarantine vlog which you guys really liked. So I thought why not go ahead and share my night routine with you guys. Everyone's timetable has been so scattered during the quarantine period and we literally have no official routine left, at least for me. So just focusing on building these little routines and these little habits, I think have made a huge difference for me. Especially my sleeping patterns went haywire. They still aren't the best, but still I feel like getting into a sorted night routine does make me feel better for sure and helps me sleep better as well. So yeah, I thought to share a teeny tiny piece of what I do. And yeah, I'm saying this again that my timings are still not the best. I'm still working on it. So you go ahead and start the routine or end it at whatever time you're comfortable. Okay, so my night routine starts around 8 p.m. when I just decide to go outside for a walk. Now, basically, it's been a tiring day, and this just helps to, kind of give a pause between the entire day. And also, I have been working in between, so it's really nice to just go out, get a breath of fresh air. I put on headphones, I put on music, and the weather is so lovely these days. I also have this beautiful cabana type thing outside where I just go and, sit quietly and just listen to music. So as I head home, I think it's now become a habit for all of us to carefully remove our masks, wash my hands, and also I just prefer to go and have a shower at this point and get comfy in my pajamas. I also had makeup on today because we had a next up session, so I will wash all of that and quickly change. And guys, this PJ set I showed in my Amazon haul is so comfortable. It will be linked down below. Now is the time that my actual skincare relaxing routine starts. I just first go and light a candle in my room again just to get into a very peaceful vibe for the night. So I already washed my face in the shower and now I'll just go ahead and use a toner. This one is from Mamaearth with the key ingredients being cucumber, vitamin C, aloe vera extract and witch hazel. And then I'll go ahead and apply the face serum once again from Mamaearth with turmeric and vitamin C being the key ingredients here. Turmeric has been doing really good on my skin. Apart from that, it also has choline and alga flower extract. Now, one of my main focuses for my night routine skincare has been to rejuvenate my skin. I still have a long way to go, but I feel like the routine I'm following is genuinely helping me so much. And I feel like skincare is an entire journey on its own. There are just so many factors, and I do think that just keeping up with this regime has made my skin a lot more better. Why I showed these particular products was that one of the key ingredients that has really been helping in just repairing my skin is vitamin C. Not only if consumed directly is vitamin C really good for the immunity, but even topically when you apply it, it's great for the health of your skin as well. And it basically does that by promoting collagen production. So yeah, this was something that I've learned along my skincare journey, and that's when I really started to invest in vitamin C heavy products for my night routine, and I chose the ones from Mamaearth. Their range is entirely chemical free and made up of natural ingredients, and that honestly is working very good for my skin. And also to share with you guys, the Mamaearth brand is now officially certified from PETA as cruelty free, and it is an Indian brand, so it's a great way to show your support for a vocal for local. And guys, this video is sponsored by Mamaearth, and one thing I feel like usually people tend to miss out on mentioning is the price point of this product. So if you guys want to shop the same, all the product links are in the description, and the products are available on Mamaearth, Amazon, Nykaa, Purple, and on the Mamaearth website you will get a discount of 20% if you use the code Latika20. So now while my skin repairs at this time, I usually do get a little bit tired, but because I do have a second work session late at night, so I have my coffee at this time to really wake me up. And also I love coffee, so I just need a reason to have it. So once I've had my coffee, I'm clearly a happy person now. So now it's around 9:10 p.m. and this is the time I just like to chill in mom dad's room. And yeah, also just check up on my phone, and we also do end up playing Ludo, something that I'm really enjoying these days. Quickly jumping into dinner. Now this is the time when everyone else has had dinner, but because I have to stay awake for like a longer time, I have my dinner later. And today, because I didn't feel like having what was at home, again food also has become monotonous at this point, I just decided to make the quickest and one of my favorite dishes, which is this tadka rice. Honestly, the reason I love it is because it has rice, potatoes, my two favorite things, and just tons of spices, which is again my favorite thing ever. And it's so easy to make. And as I'm gaining energy for my just last mini work session before I go to sleep, I like to watch Netflix or just catch up on YouTube videos. I'm watching Grace here, and I just finished Crash Landing, which I love, and then jumping onto my quick work session. Okay, so now just to address a couple of things, I know that you guys might not be used to seeing work in night routines, but honestly, since the longest time, like the nights have been very productive for me. Even in school days, it was the time where there was no distraction. My concentration is like laser focused, and also because there's no time constraint as such, all of the work I do is very quality work. So yeah, this is an unpopular opinion, it's a huge disclaimer. Also, one of the biggest things that I do at night is planning out the next day and forming my to-do lists, and even going through my to-do list from today itself. Now this helps me go to bed with a very clear mind, and as I've said, the lockdown is getting monotonous for everyone, so this first of all helps me sleep better, just knowing that I've finished this work. And obviously in the morning it gives me like that motivational boost I need to wake up. And I've been self-employed for more than 2 years, so trust me, it does get tough to keep yourself motivated and keep those deadlines, because no one else is forming those deadlines for me. Okay, so now that everything is sorted, I'll just clear up the entire desk, pack all my stuff, maybe just take it out of the kitchen and clean it all up. Again, this is something that just helps me go to bed with a clear mind. Before we end the video, I would once again like to give a huge shout out to Mama Earth for sponsoring. Once again, all the products I've used today are in the description box. I'll just straight away go to bed, maybe watch a couple of YouTube videos and just fall asleep.